Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to integrate BoldSign with Box via Zapier to automatically upload newly signed documents. Additionally, if you're interested in using Google Drive, a tutorial is available on our YouTube channel that guides you through that process. Let's get started. Box is a cloud storage and file sharing service that enables users to upload, store, and manage documents securely online. BoldSign's integration with Box through Zapier allows users to streamline document management by automatically uploading newly signed documents to Box. This integration eliminates the need for manual uploads and ensures that signed documents are securely stored in one central location. It also provides easy retrieval of documents, even if they are accidentally deleted from the BoldSign account. A pre-configured SAP template is available on the BoldSign Zapier integration page, making the setup process quick and easy. Getting started is easy. All you need is a valid Zapier account, an active Box account with a specified folder in which you want to store the documents, and a BoldSign account, which can be either a paid plan or a free sandbox account. If you haven't signed up for BoldSign yet, you can create a free account. Let's go through a practical example. Let's consider a legal firm that handles numerous contracts using BoldSign. After clients sign legal documents, the firm needs to store these contracts securely. The firm prefers Box, as it is good for the legal industry, enhancing trust and reliability in managing sensitive documents. By integrating BoldSign with Box using Zapier, every newly signed contract is automatically uploaded to a designated folder in Box, eliminating manual uploads and keeping all documents securely organized in one location. Let me demonstrate how an attorney would set up the ZAP. There is a pre-configured SAP template for this scenario. Go to the pre-configured template and click Try this template. This takes me to the ZAP creation page. On this page, I add a title for the ZAP. Next, in the trigger section, the BoldSign app is set as the default trigger action. Depending on my needs, I can change it using the Change button. In the trigger events section, the document completed option is set by default. If you haven't created a BoldSign account, you can still sign up by clicking the Sign In option in the Account section. Since I have a BoldSign account, I just connect it and click Continue. In the Configure section, I select Yes in the Admin Mode field. I then test the trigger to ensure it is working correctly. The details of the most recently completed document are displayed. I can also find new records. I click Continue with the selected record to complete the setup for this section. Moving on to the Action section, the Box app is already set as the Action app, with the Upload File option set as the Action event. I can also change these options when necessary. I have a Box account and specified a folder where I want to store the documents. If you haven't signed up for a Box account, you need to create one first before continuing with the ZAP creation. I proceed to connect to my Box account and click Continue. In the Configure section, I specify the folder where I want all completed documents stored in the folder field. The file field is automatically mapped, and I leave it as it is. Next, I map the name field as needed. I set the Share this file field to Company to share the completed document with users within the company. Then I click Continue and test the action to ensure everything is configured correctly. If the test fails, an error alert will notify you of the issue. Once testing is completed, the recently signed document is uploaded to the specified folder in the Box. I can search for the item data in the search bar. Next, I finalize the process by publishing the ZAP, which will automatically be turned on. When signers complete a document, it will automatically be uploaded to the specified folder in the Box. That summarizes how to automate uploading newly signed BoldSign documents to Box via Zapier. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.